Welcome to Lily Artist English. Today I'm painting a bunch of lily flower with their leaves. This video is going to be very interesting because in this video I will show you how you can paint this cute little flower very easily with their leaves, and I will also tell you why I am applying this white thin base in the video. So make sure to watch complete video and don't skip any part, okay? Here I am using a round brush. For more detail about the brush, color name, check out the pinned comment. I will write down all the information and will drop in the comment box so you can get all information at once. Check out the pinned comment and you get to know what color I am using, the brush and all the stuff, okay? Now let's proceed further. Okay, now listen to me. Watch this video again and again and get to learn how you can paint this beautiful flower, the lily flower. And in upcoming video, when you are done learning this flower, how to paint this lily flower, in upcoming video, I will share a video how you can paint a lily flower on tablecloth with a beautiful design. Okay, so make sure to watch completely, understand very firmly so that when I'm sharing the tablecloth video you get to know and paint very beautiful design on you by your own, okay? Now let's discuss what is the reason behind the white coating. So this is our dark green fabric which come under the category of dark fabric like black, dark green, navy blue. These all are the fabrics. So when you are painting this type of fabric, the dark one, you have to apply the base, the thin base, white base, okay? And the reason is this: the darker fabric, the more the darker fabric is, it will somehow absorb your light color, like you are painting this very beautifully, and when it get dry it will fade. So we are here applying a thin white base to avoid the fading of our painting. Here I am done painting all my three flower. Now I will start painting the leaves. Watch carefully, then you get to know how you can paint this beautiful, somehow tricky leaves easily, okay? It looks like a tricky, but when you watch carefully and listen to the explanation, you will get to know it's easy. So I'm using the two shades of green here and painting it like that, and will blend properly and fill all the leaf very uniformly without any patches, etc. And here I am again blending, and it's done. Now I'm going to paint the second one by using some yellow color and the green, applying the green color like that and yellow color on the upper portion. Will mix and blend very smoothly, okay? Then I will apply a white color like that. Now it's time to smoothen up, blend it well, and your is ready. In the same manner, I will paint all my leaf one by one. So watch carefully completely. If you find this video helpful for you, subscribe to this channel and like the video. Here, reminder for those who don't know, this is my second channel in English language. My main channel, Lily Artist Fabric Works, is in Hindi language. You can get 500 plus painting videos on that channel, so make sure to visit. And if you can understand both Hindi and English language, make sure to subscribe that channel also. On that channel you will get a huge variety of designed color combination, different stuff like bedsheet, pillow cover, tablecloth, suit painting, purse, etc. I have painted many things on that channel. And there are many flower, like on your demand I have painted and covered many flower, how to paint rose, lily, sunflower, daffodil, peony, pansy, marigold, aprajita, zinnia. So there are lots of, the list goes on. So you have to just visit that channel and watch those videos too. Some of those videos are bilingual, so you can understand, because I am using like the Hindi and English in the same video, like the beginners course. I have explained in Hindi and then in English, then Hindi and then English, so you can understand. I was trying very hard to explain my all the audience, like English speaker and Hindi speaker. Now as I get to hit 100k plus subscriber, I have created second channel. This is a gift for my non-Hindi speaker subscriber. I was trying to explain you very well using a bilingual, using a subtitle, but now I will here posting all the tutorial in English, and it will be very helpful for you. So keep watching, keep supporting me on this channel by watching completely. Share with your friends and family who are interested in fabric painting, and subscribe only when you are genuinely interested in learning fabric painting, okay? So this is how you can paint a bunch of lily flower on fabric. I hope this video will be very helpful for you in your fabric painting journey. After painting flower and leaves, here I am adding a detail in the leaves and will also add a detail in flower, so watch carefully. Here I am adding a very fine line in my leaves. One by one, after adding the lines in the leaves, here I am using the darker shade to add line in other leaves like this, and I am done. Now here I am adding a dot like this in my flower to enhance its beauty, like that. And we are done painting our cute beautiful design. I hope you like it. That's it for today. We'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.